I'm going to use expansion anchors or sleeve anchors, whatever you want to call them. These ones are 4-inch, so I should have plenty into the concrete. I'm going to pre-drill this just to get through the ledger. The brand of sleeve anchors that I'm using are Redheads, and I just wanted to show you the specifications here. I am using 1/2-inch bolts. They have to be embedded at least 1 7/8, which is going to be perfect because mine are 4-inch. I'm going through 1.5 inches, so we're good there. And this is the pull-out strength, 2,200 pounds. That's the minimum. And the shear strength for 1/2-inch bolts is 4,000 pounds at a minimum. And I'm doing 4 of them. So I think these are going to be plenty strong. I'm going to attempt to hold up my ledger and then just mark out those holes with my 1/2-inch mason bit. Looks good. Now I got my big drill, my SDS Plus, and I'm going to drill these holes. I'm just seeing how far I actually have to go. Okay. That's actually really thick, so that's a good thing. I'm just going to get an idea here how far to go down, and I'm going to use some construction adhesive because why not? I'm going to try and put these in here, just get the 2 on either end in. I have the nut on these. Just gonna send them in. Those 2 in. And the way these work, I've shown it a bunch of times, but they go in like this, and then as you tighten this nut up, this sleeve goes over this end here and expands. And that's what gets held to the concrete. Pretty cool little things. So I'm going to hold this to the line. We're good on that side. Looks pretty good on that side. I'm just going to double check.